Okay, let's continue and find out what other features can do. So let us drop. We have these tools here. We have these tools, very many tools. But let's first start with a few. So we can start with a label. You come and write here. That is label 1. You get a text box. Remember, it depends on what you are going to do with these labels, with the tools. I bring my label 2. This is a frame now. Let me cut that. I want a label. Yes, it is here. You can put it there. That is label 2. I also get my label 3. I put there. It depends on the design of what you are programming. I get my command 1. I get my command 2. I get also my command 3. So I align all my all my stuff like that. So let me start renaming these features. I start with the label. I come on caption on the right side. I can call this one input. Then I can call this one, the label 3, I call it output. Then in the text, I leave this one blank. Label 2, I leave it blank too. Then on command 1, I can call this command, I can call it caption display. I will be commanding this button to display something. Then on caption command 2, I can tell this to always do what? To always end whenever I use it. Then command 3, I can tell it to click by writing what I have told it to do. So now, so far I have done that, but you can continue and see. So for the case of display, so when I run, you see this is what I'm getting. So let me first stop running. I go back to the development environment. Then I come on my first command. I double click in it. So I will come. So I will be telling this command to display what is in label, to display in label 2. So I will tell it equals text text 1 dot text. So it will be displaying in label 2, but getting the input from the text 1 button. That is the text box which I inserted. So I can run that. Then when I type here, when I type there, for example, A56, and say display, you see it is displaying. So it is getting what is in label, it is getting in what is text box 1 and displaying it in label 2 as that. Then let me stop that. Then I continue. I'm going to move to command button 2. Then this one, I'll be telling it to end. I'll be telling it to end. I'll be telling it to do what? I'll be telling it to end. Then I go to command 3. So this one I will be telling it to print this name here. That name I'll be telling it to print. Oh my god. So when I run and say click, I click, you see it is printing the name. Then let me end, it is ending. So I can also create keyboard shortcuts. For example, keyboard shortcut for display, I come here on caption, I put an upper thumb. Also I come on the end button, I can put the upper thumb on end. So when I come on click, I put the upper thumb on K. So when I run, I can use the keyboard to do the clicking. So when I want to click, I can say Alt K. You see it is writing Alt K, Alt K, Alt K. So when I want to end, Alt N, I have ended it. So that's how to do with some of those. You can continue and adjust, you improve on it. You also add the shortcut on input and output.